Hi, my name is Bojana and I am an English teacher from Belgrade, Serbia. I'm happy to teach English online, so please subscribe to this channel and get notified whenever there is a new video out. I hope these short videos can help you learn English faster. I would be also very happy to help you learn English in some other shape and form, so you can contact me. This is my phone number and this is my email address. You can write to me or call me via Viber and we can arrange some online tutoring, online conversation classes so that you learn English faster and a little easier with the help of a teacher. I have my master's degree in teaching English as a second language. I did my master's in the United States of America at San Francisco State University, and I also teach adults, children, all ages, all over the world, right? Via internet. I teach also in the international school here in Belgrade, and I'll be happy to help you learn English. So please do not hesitate to contact me. Today's lesson is modal verb can. Very important little word, can. Okay, you go into a supermarket, you go into a store, you go anywhere and you hear a question. Can I help you? Huh? Can I help you? So the assistant, the shop assistant asks, can I help you? You say yes, yes. And then you say what you need, right? Can I help you with something? Or sometimes they ask, probably you heard, how can I help you? Huh? How can I help you? How can I help you? Oh, and then you say, oh yes, you can. I need, and then you say what you need, okay? So, can I help you? Can I help you learn English? Yes, I can. Can I help you learn German? No, I can't. Okay, so positive plus is yes, I can. Negative is no, I can't. I can't. No, I can't. I cannot help you learn German because I don't speak German. But I can help you learn English because I am an English teacher. So I can help you learn English. You can learn English. You can learn English. That's for sure. Yes, absolutely. You can learn English. He, your father, your brother, your friend, your boss, your man, right? Man, he can. He can help you. He can learn English. So on. She, your mother, your sister, your daughter, she can. She can help you. She can learn English. We, you and me together, we can learn English together. They, some people over there, they can learn English too. So, big news, can, verb can is always the same form. I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, they can, always the same form of a verb, can. For negative, no, always the same form, can't, cannot, and then short, can't. I can't, you can't, he can't, she can't, we can't, they can't. But then, after can or cannot, after here, you must put a verb. You must put what? I can learn English. I can help you. I can cook. I can cook very well. I can swim. I can play tennis. I can jump. I can run fast. I can drive. I can drive very well. I can speak Italian too. And so on. After a verb can, you must put another verb to say what you can or cannot do. Without another verb, this verb does not work. That's why it is called modal verb. It's a special verb, right? It needs another word, another verb behind it, after it. So when you ask a question, you take can and you put it in front, see? In front, and then you ask a question like that at the beginning of the sentence. So for example, I ask you, can you speak English? Yes, I can, a little. Can you speak German? No, I can't. I cannot speak German at all. Can you cook? Yes, I can. I can cook very well. Can you dance? No, I cannot. I cannot dance at all. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you drive? Yes, I can. Can you sing well? Can you sing well? Not very well. Okay? So can you use for something that you know how to do. You know how to cook very well. So you can say, I can cook very well. Or you don't know, so you say, I cannot cook at all. So can for everybody, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, always can. Can't for negative, after can another verb. For questions, put can at the beginning of the sentence. And also please learn these words. Well, if you can do something well, that means, for example, I can speak English well. Of course, I am an English teacher. I can speak English well. Very well, huh? Well, or very well. A little, for example, a little, you say, I can speak English a little, huh? A little, just a little, okay? Or, no, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Minus, huh? I cannot speak English. Not at all. I can't drive. Or I can drive, but not well, huh? They like also to say not very well. Not very well, huh? Badly, huh? I cannot do it very well. Okay, so this video was about modal verb can. I hope you liked it. I hope you can learn it fast. If I can help, and I think I can, please contact me. This is my phone number, plus 381 6289 866. Please contact me and I'll be happy to help. Bye-bye.